eToro's smart portfolios are pre-built, professionally managed collections of assets that follow a specific theme or investment strategy. They are designed to make diversified investing simple, especially for people who prefer a hands-off approach. The portfolios are created and maintained by eToro's investment team and are adjusted from time to time to keep them aligned with their intended strategy. You can start investing with a relatively low minimum amount, and there is no separate management fee, although normal trading costs and currency conversion charges still apply. There are several types of smart portfolios. Some focus on themes such as technology, commodities, or innovation. Others are built in partnership with large asset managers and follow a risk-based structure ranging from conservative to aggressive. There are also special portfolios created with external partners to provide access to more specialized strategies. Smart portfolios offer some appealing benefits. They allow you to invest in a wide range of assets without having to buy each one individually. They remove the need for constant monitoring because they are managed and rebalanced for you. They are also relatively easy to access and give investors exposure to professionally structured allocation models. There are also some limitations. You cannot customize the portfolios much, so they may feel restrictive if you want to pick or remove specific assets. Even though there is no management fee, you still face spreads, underlying costs, and potential currency conversion charges. You also rely on eToro's decisions, which means you have less control and visibility than you would when building your own portfolio. Performance is never guaranteed, and the value of investments can rise or fall. For someone in the UK, smart portfolios can be convenient and accessible, especially if you prefer long-term, low-maintenance investing. They can suit investors who want exposure to major global themes without doing all the research themselves. However, currency conversion from pounds to dollars may reduce returns, and the lack of personal control may be a drawback if you prefer a more tailored portfolio. Many investors find smart portfolios helpful as an easy way to diversify. Others prefer to build their own portfolios because they want greater control or because they feel the returns do not justify the limitations. The choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity and automation or customization and hands-on management.